I have a Zacapa and soda. Have you tasted it? It's rum. Oh, careful. When I drink 2 of these, I don't wear clothing.
How much footage?
Super. Cheers to that.
How much footage have you videoed?
I have 8 towers today.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay, right?
Yeah.
Because it's all about content. You have to get content.
Right?
We're gonna really. What are you doing?
Listen,
Did you smell my old?
No, you know where you're going wrong, isn't you?
What happened?
You're on it, isn't it?
Oh, shite.
Here we go. Here we go.
It's already on, right?
It's on, yeah. Come on. I've got a screen to look
We're
at.
gonna have fun here. It's crazy.
Why can't I see a screen?
Why aren't you sailing with us? That's what we need to do.
Why can't I see what I'm filming?
See this one. This
Oh,
one.
sorry. Oh, hey.
He's Hollywood Bollywood.
Come on, we're going to do a 360
Oh
panorama.
my gosh.
Here we go. Here we go.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Good time.
We're good.
I'm so sure.
Yeah, we're down low.
I feel like I'm on some sort of show. What's the question? What's the first question? Well, I'm 6'4", I'm 120 pounds. I was born near Chicago.
They always play you. They always play you, baby. They always play you. They always play you, baby. They always play you on the radio. They always show you on the video. Money, take a good girl, bad girl, and a little bit of Hollywood.
I am Dave, I am your prime enthusiast, and I'm here to make sure that you have an amazing time wherever you travel the world and you enjoy the fine food, the fine life. Exactly. Because you have one shot at today, you might as well live it the best way possible. So you know, when you book on these amazing tours, you can book at different state level qualities, and one of them, of course, is concierge. Slightly above that is aqua. Below that is where I am, with just regular veranda. So they have upgraded veranda, and of course they get a fabulous gold card, which makes them feel special, and they are a little bit because they get invited to things that I don't. Problem. Gold cards. All right, hiding the names. So in addition to that, they get this amazing thing delivered to their room, and this is the great reveal. What is in the tin from the executive level, delivered by the captain himself? What is this? Woo! Well, we have solid gold sushi.
Parma cheese wraps.
Some goodness of excitement.
Some cucumber with stuff
And a
on
cucumber with hummus.
Yep. That's it.
it. And then a little chocolate brownie.
Gold card. Freebies.
But join us tomorrow at the sail away on the helipad.
It's worth it.
If
All
you
right.
buy a gold card.
Yeah, so the sail away on the helipad is a thing that you're either Elite Plus or you buy extra like they do. And you get concierge access to amazing sail away things. Yeah, I encourage you to just paint your card gold and go with it. You know, this grass was green. But apparently the acid rain.
The experience was so much different Celebrity than I had on any of the other cruise lines I've been on.
Yeah.
Sailed with them since?
The food is better, the service is better, the rooms are nice.
Yes.
The staff is outstanding.
The staff is outstanding.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, I've only been on 10. with
You've been
him.
on 10.
With him.
My, you're a noob at this.
She's a newbie.
Now, I said noob, but at this moment, you didn't catch it, she slapped me. So we'll have to edit out the slapping sound. So 10, you've been on 10 with this fine man.
Yes.
How do you feel that you have to wait 6 months? I feel like it's hell that I have to wait 3 months for my next sailing.
I'd like it to be 3 months.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we need to step up our game, or maybe a celebrity will see this and hook you up.
Well, we're elite
Elite plus,
pearl.
plural, elite plural, semicolon.
And enjoy every perk that it offers.
Very nice.
I don't think we're taking advantage of all of them, but we're...
You have, as Elite Plus, you have a lot of advantages you can do here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's really, really, really nifty.
Outstanding.
Outstanding.
Now you're the quiet one over here. What's going on?
I'm just listening to this marvelous
Yeah.
conversation.
Do you sail frequently?
We leave again December the 1st.
Again? On the edge? Woohoo! Cheers to that. Amongst all y'all, who has sailed the most?
That's only our second cruise.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
They've doubled us. This is we were.
These two are virgins.
We've just popped on.
What is a virgin?
Not us anymore.
Yeah?
Us anymore.
Wow. Number 1 on Celebrity or number 1 sailing at all?
Ever.
And do you find it to be something you want to do again?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, this is our second time, so let's do it.
Because it's ridiculous.
How many
For
times?
me, I quit counting. I'm Elite Plus.
Oh.
So, what do you like most about the sailing?
The drinks, the weather, the company.
Oh, we're here! Hi! Oh, look at that, look at that. Mother's milk called Zacapa.
Record this extra, okay?
I didn't see anything. Nothing happened. See? This is perfect port. Meant to be. Yep. Oh! Oh! This is how Captain America puts a lime in a beverage.
Delivery.
This way. David, your water's here.
Oh, thank you.
You guys have dinner plans?
Hey, we're
Are you
on
early?
video.
Are you asking?
Hey! Hey! Here we are! It's all crazy!
Getting down.
Sunset Bar on what ship? What ship? What's the name of the ship?
Celebrity Equinox.
Equinox! Here we are!